Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to backtest MetaTrader 4. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So, basically I'm already in my demo account. As you can see. To backtest, all I gotta do is click on any of the currencies and click on trade. You can buy any stock. You can also trade again and click on sell. And the backtesting is complete. Trading already has been started in my demo account. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.